this is so much fun. The view is very nice. There was a bucket of ice cold water. Good morning. It's around 8:30 a.m. in Pai. This is where I stayed last night. It's almost 9:30. I am leaving Pai to go to Jabo, which is 56 kilometers, hour 10 minutes away. I got too excited on the road to Jabo. I went right through it, didn't even realize until I don't know, many kilometers away. As you can see, this is where I am. This is where I should have been, but I shot right through it, enjoying the curves. I'm gonna just turn around and go back. This is so much fun. Part of the famous Mae Hong Son Loop. I am in Jabo, a very small village. The famous noodle soup restaurant is closed today due to Songkran Thai New Year. I am at Sao Lahu coffee shop. I'm going to order some coffee and enjoy the view and go back to Pai. Okay, here's menu. This is the famous view, and that is the famous noodle soup restaurant. Well, the view is the same. It's okay. I'll just sit here, enjoy my coffee, and get back to Thai. Okay, I got Thai iced tea for 60 baht. The view is very nice. Smoky, but still very nice. Very quiet. Alright, the Thais are really celebrating their Songkran. I'm not going that way. Alright, this is part of the Thai walking street. Look at this. Having so much fun. Woo! Woo! Oh, Kapkun Crab! Look at these crazy people. Woo! There was a bucket of ice cold water. This town of Pai definitely has a different feel than other cities I've visited. It's very laid back, sort of like a hippie town. A lot of backpackers, a lot of foreigners stop here and stay here for a long time. Let me check out this restaurant. Looks pretty. Right by the river, right by the bamboo bridge. Mango shake, 65 baht. I ordered tom yum goong, 195 baht, and rice, 15 baht. Wow. This is actually very good. Very delicious. This tom yum goong is so good. I have to give it my clap of approval. Very nice, very nice. I need to get to my guest house in Chiang Mai, 130 kilometers away. It says 2 hours and 53 minutes. I put on my rain jacket because the Thai people are getting a little serious with the splashing passerby with the water. So I'm just getting ready. I put a rain cover on it. I put a rain cover on my big bag as well. What the food court looks like. This is papaya salad with shrimp, 100 baht. Okay, the shrimp is uncooked. It's raw shrimp. Well, this is really good actually. Oh, it's spicy. And the raw shrimp is actually quite good, very chewy.